Alright guys, so in this video we're going to be doing a number of things. First things first, as you can see, we have the octopus installed, and that's all of our wiring. We have to finish bringing it all into the interior. Oh yeah, check out that power steering cooler, or maybe trans cooler, I'm not sure yet, but that's pretty neat, huh? But we have to get this kind of situated, so we're gonna kind of be hopping around a lot, so I'm gonna put you up on the time lapse and we're just gonna go to town. How's that sound? All right, see what we can get done.
The devil you know. Plead to God for me. Plead for me. This heart beats cold, like the devil is on. The devil is on. The devil you know.
Well guys, we got quite a bit done. Center console's in. It's about 1,000,000 degrees out, so I think I'm gonna go ahead and call this one done for this weekend. But we'll be back at it next weekend, I'm sure. Have a good one, guys.
My blood runs cold.